Hey everybody, welcome back to the Model Railway Shed. Today's video is all about adding lighting to those important buildings on your railway or railroad. I was inspired to do a video after talking to someone on a forum recently, and he was struggling with wiring lights into his buildings as he couldn't solder. So I thought I would do a video hoping this might help a few people out. So let's get started. Okay, so what I use is one of these. Now, one of my hobbies, one of my interests is CCTV. And this is a CCTV power supply. Now, you can buy these off Amazon or eBay, and they're around £6 or £7. And then you want one of these. These are a CCTV connector, but they're also used for many other things. These are only about £1 on eBay. They are also available on Amazon. So what we do, take our power supply. Now if you look at this, you will see it's got a positive and negative terminal. So we take our wire. Now you can do this in many different ways. You can cut the wire and have it really long so it's all the way around your perimeter of your layout, or you can just do what I do and just put it straight through the centre of your layout. What I've done is the battens underneath, which support the plywood from stopping from sagging, I drilled holes so I can thread this in underneath the layout so it doesn't hang down. Now, one thing you must do is have a bus wire for your lighting, and do not use the bus wire which is used for your track power, because they, on certain layouts, depending on what you're running, depending on what gauge you're running, what scale you're running, they operate on different voltages. So always have a separate power supply. Okay, so what we do is we take the red wire and we put that into the positive terminal on here, and the black wire goes into the negative. So as you can see, I've connected in the positive wire, negative wire. I've just cut two small pieces of wire here just to show you how I add my wiring. Next thing I use is these. These are great. These are pre-wired LEDs, and you get them in different sizes. That's sort of a large size. They do these sort of sizes, and they can even go really small, like that. And you can get these all in different colours as well. So you can have them in sort of a cool white if you were doing a more modern layout, or you could do a warm white if you're doing more of a traditional layout, like a steam era layout. And they come in all different colours as well. I pay about £5 for 10. I'll put a link in the description for all the bits that I've used today. So what we do next, we take our LED and we want to add the red wire and the black to the black wire, and I do that by using these. These are Scotch locks. Now some people aren't a big fan of them. I've never had a problem with them. What you can do, if you feel comfortable with soldering, is you could use a pair of these, strip back the wire on your bus wire to expose the internal wire, strip that end, and then just connect them on. But this video really is for people that are struggling with wiring. That's what we do. Pop that through there. Pop the positive end in for the LED. You get a pair of pliers. Now you can just close the clasp to do it. I prefer to do it this way. And then close it up. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So now I'll connect negative wire. Okay. So guys, hope you can see that. The black wire for the LED is connected to the black wire from here. Then that goes into the negative of this. The red wire from the LED goes into the red wire for the bus. And then it goes into the positive side of the connector. Right, let's plug it in and I'll show you it working. And that's it, all working. So you've got your 12-volt power supply into the connector. You've then got your bus wires, and then you scotch lock on your pre-wired 12-volt LED, and it all works. And you can add as many LEDs as you want. So if you've got a large building, like I've got my church building, I put 2 LEDs in there because it's a big building and I wanted to show off the stained glass windows. And in my smaller station building, I've only added 1 LED. And you could also add on 12-volt platform lighting. You know, if you don't buy the cheap, nasty ones from China, buy some good ones, and you'll find they are 3-volt. If you go to a good seller, he will solder in a resistor already for you. So then you can connect it onto your bus wire in the same manner. And even if you need to put power 10, 12, 14, no matter how many buildings you've got, you can add them to this bus wire. And it will power all of your lighting for the whole layout. So as I say, don't add them into your bus wire, your track power. Always have a separate circuit. And what I will do is I'll add the links in the description to show you what I've used today. Anyway, just a quick video. I really do hope this helps somebody out. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit that like button for me. It really does help me out. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you all again on the next one.